Everything that is magical about Thai food in one bite. Amazing. So Thai green curry is one of those last supper meals for me. I mean, you know, it's the curry that my mum's been making since as long as I can remember. It's the curry I love the most. So I'm using some quite traditional Thai vegetables in my curry today. And I've got cookbook, or in English we call them apple eggplants. And I love these because they have this really sort of floral fragrance, almost a little bit medicinal, and just a little bit bitter as well. And then I'm also using puang, or in English we call these pea eggplants. And these have an even more bitter flavor than the bigger eggplants. And so whenever you're making a Thai curry, one of the important things is to really get that paste releasing all of its essential oils and flavors and aromas. And that's why we always fry the paste off in a little bit of oil first. And the difference between my curry paste and, you know, a regular store-bought curry paste is that I've seasoned this perfectly. So my curry paste includes the fish sauce and the palm sugar, so you don't have to worry about that part. And then with the coconut milk, I use the highest quality coconut milk I can find because that makes a huge difference to the flavor. If you've got a really watery coconut milk, you're going to find that your curry doesn't have the right amount of sweetness and thickness and mouthfeel. Traditionally in this kind of curry, you actually poach your protein in the curry sauce. So rather than frying it at the beginning in the oil, the protein, your meat or seafood, goes into the sauce, and that does two things. So it actually keeps the protein nice and juicy, and it also allows all the cooking juices as those proteins cook to come out into the curry sauce and flavor the curry sauce as well. So two more additions for my very traditional noodles today. I'm using snake beans, and these are going to go on at the end as like a garnish, and they'll be crunchy and they'll add a little bit of like a herbal flavor. And then I'm also going to use what's called bai mang lak in Thailand, which is a type of basil if you're outside of Thailand. But don't worry, if you can't get this particular lemon basil, you could use Thai basil or even a regular basil. The whole point is that we just want to add some really beautiful, fresh, herbaceous kind of flavor at the end. Everything that is magical about Thai food in one bite. Amazing.